In this video, I will teach you how to apply outside border with shortcut key. For example, if you want to set outside border of this dataset, the easy way is to go to the border drop-down menu and click on the outside borders. And here you can see that the outside border is applied. But here our question is, what is the shortcut key of outside border? Let me undo that. The shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and press End button. And now click outside, and here you can see that the outside border has been placed. If you want to remove the outside border, so what is the shortcut key? Again select the dataset and now press Ctrl Shift and minus. Here you can see that the outside border is removed with the shortcut key. If you think this video is helpful and supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.